Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I made this clock using fast cure resin and it almost turned into a disaster and was saved by a lot of difficulty. So let's see how I saved it. So first of all, I have mixed 2:1 ratio resin. This is Fenkraft by Nova and it started setting in only 5 minutes. It was extremely difficult to manage. So I've just put some pigments in the glass first. So this is a maroon mica powder, white mica powder, and then I've also mixed golden floating mica powder, and I've mixed golden white mica powder, and I'm just pouring clear resin into the glasses. You can already see the resin is so thick and I've just mixed it. So I'm just quickly mixing all the pigments into the resin. If you have any doubts, then you can ask me in the comments below and I'll make sure to reply them. And if you wish to purchase this, then you can contact me on Instagram. And now I'm also taking some black opaque pigment and some maroon opaque pigment. I'll be also mixing some pink opaque pigment to give a marble effect. So now when all the pigments are mixed, I'm just pouring the maroon shimmery resin into the board first, and then I'm outlining the stones with the golden resin. So I've just placed the stones first before I mix the resin, otherwise it would have been a complete unsavable project. So this is a fast forwarded video and you can already see that how slow the resin is pouring already. So I've just mixed some black pigment with the maroon mica powder one and just made it a shade darker. So I'm just outlining the stones with it. I will just redo the golden part with marker when this layer has cured, and I'll also paint these stones with the same mica powder. When this layer has cured, I'll just mix the color with pigment binder and I'll just repaint them. Now I am just randomly pouring the opaque one and to create a marble, but this won't create a marble anyways because it is so thick. Now for the rest of the portion, I'm just putting the golden white resin. You can also use a gray shade, that would also look very nice. So I tried spreading it with an ice cream stick, but since it already got so hot and so thick that it stopped spreading anyways. So I just resorted to the last resort and started using my fingers. I'm just adding some pink for the marble effect. You can see how much pressure I needed to apply to just spread it. First I applied some heat gun so that it goes a little bit liquid, and then I started spreading it. Don't apply too much heat gun, otherwise it may burn, but you need to apply a good amount of heat gun so that it becomes liquid and easy to manage, at least for a few minutes. In this process the stone was also coming out in the middle, and I just had to put the stones back in using an ice cream stick at the end. Don't do this without a glove. Your fingers will burn and you will get severe allergies also. So respirator and gloves are a must. I didn't go too close to the stones with my fingers, as I already told that the stones were coming out with my fingers. So I just used an ice cream stick to go to the corners. Now when I was spreading with the ice cream stick, because of its thickness, it was coming out from the place that I was trying to spread it from. So you can use heat gun 2 to 3 times, like within 2 minute or 1 minute gap, when you have face a situation like that. Now because the fingerprints are all embedded into the design, I'm just using heat gun in slow setting. Don't use in high setting, it will all get burned. I'm just using it in slow setting to give it a marble effect. Now it's all done, alhamdulillah, it got saved. Please like and subscribe if you found the video helpful, and thank you for watching.